Hello and welcome. Today we are doing another leetcode problem on binary search. Okay, so this is the problem. Find the positive integer solution for a given equation. Let's see what is the problem statement. It says that given a callable function f y function f which have parameter x and y with a hidden formula and value set. Okay, reverse engineering the formula and return all positive integer pair xy where xy is equal to function of xy is equal to z. Okay, you may return the pair in order. Okay, we have to return the pair in order. Let's see what is the explanation of this. So here we have function id. We don't know in the function which formula is used. We don't know. Okay, so the function id is 1 and it says that the target value is 5. So here if we send one by one a value from 1 to any number, okay, that we will decide in future in the further video, the limit of the x or y. Okay, the follow it says that the following positive integer x value of x and y make function of xy equal to 5. X is 1, y is 4 equal to, that gives x plus 1 that is equal to 5. Yeah, it is equal to 5, which means this is the answer. 1 comma 4 means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 4 gives 5 for the function id 1. Let's understand in the board. We have question is saying that we have a custom function. Okay, function which take x and y, and we have to find target 5. Okay, suppose we have to find target 5. Let's take the limit. Let's x start from 1 to n, or we can say let's take 100. Let's take 100 and y will start from 1 to 100. Okay, what it's saying that we call the function we call the function x and y. Okay, so suppose for first x is equal to y and y is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So if suppose let's say that let's take the function will give sum of two number, but it is not the case, because the function is the rule of the function is unknown. Okay, there is a hidden formula. We don't know what is the formula inside the function, but it can be addition, it can be multiplication, it can be division. Okay, so we are taking the function will give sum of two number. Okay, so what this if we call this function the function 1 comma 1, suppose we are giving 1 comma 1, so what it will return? It will return 2. Okay, let's check with target. This is equal to target. This is equal to target. No, this is not equal to target. Okay, so let's increment the x. So let's increment x. Let's take x is equal to 2. Now it will give 3 this is equal to target? No, no. Let's take y is equal to 3 now. So this will give 4. So target, this is equal to target? No. Okay, let's take y is equal to 5, y is equal to 4, sorry. This will give now 5. This is equal to target? Yes, because target is 5. Target is 5. It means we got the first pair. Let's store in the answer. We got the first pair. Okay, we got the first pair. Now we have to actually store in the ascending order. Okay, means in order, means we cannot actually we have to store in ascending order, which means the first means we cannot store like this 2, 4, then 1, 4, because in the answer here we can see that this is in the increasing order. The first letter is 1, then 2, first element is 1, 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, so we use this order. So for this order we got the for this function we got the answer 1, 4. Now after getting the answer, let's increment x. Now increment x, call the function increment x. X is 2 and this will start from 1. Means y again start from 1. Now this will give 3, which is not equal to target. Now change it to the 2, so this will give 4. This is not equal to target. Now make it 3. Now this will give 5. Yeah, it is equal to target. So our next pair is 2 and 3. Okay, we got the answer. Okay, then again increment the x, and increment the x. Let's see, increment the x, that become the 3 and this y become 1 again. Okay, now this will give 4, not equal to. Okay, now I increment the y, then 2, then this will give 5, which is equal to target. This means we got the another pair, like 3, 2. Okay, now increase the 4, increase the x, and make y is equal to 1. X now become 4 and y is equal to 1. This will give 5. Okay, which is equal to target. So we got another pair, that is 4, 1. This is for we got the 4 pair. Okay, now after getting, we increase the 5, we increase the x, to the 5. Now y become what? Now it will give 6. It means we exceed the it means that if we increase whether value of x or y, this will give always increasing, means a larger number than target value. Okay, so we have to solve from up to this only. Okay, so let's solve this problem using binary search concept. Okay, let's take it. Now Here one more thing, there is a constraints. Function id should be 1 to 9, that is means there are 9 formulas. Okay, and the answer will generate from 1 to 1000, between 1 to 1000, and the value of x and y it up to 1 to 1000. Okay, so we are taking here x is equal to int x is equal to 1 and int y is equal to 1. Okay, and we are taking the answer, we have to return the answer vector of vector, so we are taking this variable, that is answer. Okay, now we are looping through from, we start from x up, x is equal to 1 and x will smaller than equal to 1000, and it will run up to y is smaller than equal to 1000. Okay, now let's find int f is equal to, we call the function that is custom function dot f, that will give x and y, which return any solution. Let's check if f is equal to z, that is the target value. If it is equal to target value, then our answer is equal to answer dot push back, answer dot push back, we have to give the vector. Okay, x and y, x and y, so here is it. Now after getting the answer, we have to increment the x, and y become 1, as we discussed in the explanation. Okay, now if z is greater than f, if z is greater than f, which means that if we say that we are sending 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 or 1 comma 1, so in this case we are getting 2, we are getting 3, we are getting 4, and we are getting 5. Okay, so up to here the answer is smaller than target, means the answer is smaller than target, so we have to increase the y. Okay, we have to increase the y. Here we are increasing the y. Okay, so we are increasing the y, so here also we increase the y. Okay, now else if target is greater, if answer is greater, suppose answer is greater, here we got the answer, here we got the answer, here we got the answer, that is 6, we got the answer, that is 6. Okay, so what we can say here, we can increase the x, okay, we can increase the x and make y is equal to 1. Okay, or we can break it, we can break it. Okay, we can break it here, because there is no use. If the answer comes greater than this, then we can break it, but there is an also chance. Yeah, we can break it. Let's check if you want to break from here. Let's check the answer will come here or not. Return answer. Okay, return answer. Let's run this. Okay, here we are. class solution. This is and this and this and this and solution. Okay, okay, actually, oh sorry for that. Okay, we got the wrong answer. Why we are getting wrong answer? So we do not need to actually break it here. We can increment the x, and put y is equal to 1. Okay, let's see what will be the answer. We got wrong answer. Why we are getting wrong answer? Let's check our solution. Okay, let's check our solution. Yeah, actually the problem is that here we are checking the if else condition. Okay, actually here we are using if else condition, but we forget to give else if here. Okay, so first this will check this, and after this condition, if this condition will fail, then this condition will run. After that this condition will run. Okay, so we have made the mistake that we do not put here else actually, so we correct it. Now let's run this. Yeah, we got the correct answer. Okay, for two case cases, let's submit the answer. Yeah, now we found the correct answer. Okay, so thank you.